going to watch a drama, The Missing Bag, acted by 5th standard students. Scene 1. Place road. Character Greedy Merchant. Paisa, prove it. Money, money. 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 That is my money bag. I lost my money bag. I lost 5,000. I'm crying. I need help from the king. My lord, my lord. Scene 2. Place palace. Character king, ministers, greedy merchant. Minister. Long live the king! Long live the king! Long live the king! Minister, how is our country?
Our country is flourishing under your rule, my lord.
Is there any problem? No, my lord. My lord, who are you? I am a merchant. When I was walking on the road, I lost my money bag. I lost 5,000. My lord, please help me. If someone find give it back, I will give 500 rupees, my lord. Okay, don't worry, merchant. I will make the announcement. The people make the announcement.
Okay, my lord.
Scene 3. Place road. Character village people. King's announcement. Respected people, your kind attention please. The merchant lost his bag. If you find the surrendered it in the court, you will get 500 rupees. Please take action immediately. If I take 5,000 daily biryani in same mass, 5,000 daily biryani, 5,000 daily biryani, 5,000 daily biryani.
5,000. Who has luck? I will try.
5,000. I will write 5,000. I want to take some rest. Oh, what is this? This is the missing bag. I have to surrender the missing bag. Minister, grandma. King.
What do you want, grandma?
I have come to surrender the missing bag.
Welcome, grandma.
Long live the king. Welcome, grandma. My lord, I found the missing bag on the road. Here it is, my lord. Grandma, I appreciate your honest. Merchant, your bag in real time. Please give 500 to grandma, my lord. 500 rupees. 500 rupees. I don't like to give 500 rupees. Idea. My lord, I have 10,000 in my bag, but now 5,000 missing. I think this old lady is thief. So I don't like to give 500 rupees, my lord. Oh, the merchant is greedy. Dear merchant, my lord, your bag in fact 10,000. So not your bag. Give it back. 5,000. 5,000. Go. Grandma. My lord, you are honest with the price. Thank you, my lord.
Honest is your best policy.